Do you like traveling?
Uh, to be totally upfront, I have knack for it. I can't get enough for it because I traveling is like my second most favorite passion, that I would like to travel all over the world. But today. I focus on my studies, and then if I get a chance to travel all over the world, I will definitely do that.
Okay. What don't you like about traveling?
Uh, uh, b- uh, Sorry.
What don't you like about traveling?
Okay. First thing I don't about like that traveling. Sometimes met people
You
that
meet people.
you meet people that they don't.
You meet people that you don't like. Sometimes it's difficult to cope up
Yeah,
with
yeah,
people.
cope up with that,
Food is not good.
or yeah,
Yeah.
or because of their behavior, and that's why I know, yeah, I'm hopeless at that to deal with their different kind of people. um,
Okay, so your answers should reflect the question directly.
okay.
Whatever you want to say, consider the question and
Okay.
answer, and don't divert your answer to
Thoughts.
something else.
Okay.
For example, when I ask you about do you like traveling, and then
Yeah.
you said, I'm very busy, I have no time for it, I'm studying at the moment. This is off the topic.
Okay.
Question is, do you like traveling? If you do,
Yes.
elaborate. If you don't, elaborate. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, where would you like to travel to in the future?
I would like to travel in the future to Canada, to I on sorry.
Come on, take your time, take it easy. I would love to travel to Canada because Canada is my favorite country and many of my
Yeah.
relatives live there, but they don't invite me there. Okay.
The first thing
Yeah.
is that in Niagara Falls, I would like to see that, or in that way, I would like to go Canada.
Okay, now just give the reference of Niagara Falls as well, but just put it in your answer somewhere. And
Okay.
again, come back to the main question, where would you like to travel to in the future?
To
So,
Canada.
yeah, Canada.
Okay.
But not just Canada. You
Okay.
see, I would love to go to Canada because my favorite monument, Niagara Falls, are there, and
Yes.
I would like to witness them physically. So, therefore, I would love to go to Canada whenever I travel. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
So your answer should be clear according to the question and try to answer in 5-6 sentences.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.